Hey, I'm Alan Brito, I'm an architect, and in this tutorial, let me show you how you can quickly create handrails in Blender with a modifier. Yes, there is a modifier in Blender that will give you the ability to create handrails. So let's take this model here, and I want to create a handrail that will go around here, exactly at this location. And to get started, I will select the base model, go into edit mode, and I will select only the edges that I want to use as a reference. I will use those edges, these edges here, as a guide. And instead of making a copy, I will use a free add-on just to make an offset. It's called Mesh Edit Mode Tools. And one of the tools that we have here has a name of Offset Edges, which works almost as if it was the offset option from something like AutoCAD. And I will offset these edges 10 centimeters, so 0.10. It's good enough for me. And from this point forward, I will just reselect the edges here and I will apply an extrude. Extrude Z 1 meter. And just to add some divisions here, I will press Ctrl R and add a few divisions, Ctrl R and Ctrl R. Now select the faces of this object here, this new reference that we'll be using as a handrail. Press P to separate and it will create a separate object. Now the secret here is to add a skin modifier. Let me add here from the generate skin modifier. This is the modifier that I'll be using, skin. And once you add the skin, it won't look at all like a handrail. It will be really, really ugly. But one small tweak that we can do here is to select the object, go into edit mode, press A to select everything. And now the secret, if you press Ctrl A, you will be able to scale this down and look what we will get. Something that really looks like a handrail. And if you don't like this base here, no problem. You can select, let me go back here to edge mode. I will select just the bases here. And if you select these edges and delete them, this is what you get. Something that really looks like a handrail. Is it perfect? No, but it will do the job for a quick visualization. And this is it. Now you know how to create or how to quickly create handrails in Blender. And if you want to learn more about how to use Blender for architecture, I will leave links in the description for 2 of my learning resources. I have this workshop here. It's a 9-hour workshop where I teach how to use Blender as if it was a CAD tool. And I will also leave links for my books. I just finished updating 2 of my most popular books, these 2 here for Blender 5.1, including the translations. Links in the description. It will support my work here, and a shout out to my channel members. You are helping me making more videos. So again, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.